If you are someone who has bought the systeme PLR course but hasn't used it yet or haven't done the setup in your own account in order to sell it to your audience, or maybe someone has done it for you, maybe you have bought from me and I have done the setup for you, but now you want to do that again for your buyers, or you want to understand the whole process. So this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you step by step all the things that are required in terms of adding the whole PLR course in your systeme account, and also how you can sell the individual courses. Right. So let's begin. So basically, it has two levels. The PLR course has two levels. Like first is you sell the PLR course on its own as a product. Like you purchase the PLR course and you want to sell that whole PLR thing. And the second part is you want to sell the 8 courses individually as a product, or maybe bundle them up, like bundle some 2 to 3 courses and then sell them as a product. So first we will be understanding like how you can set up the PLR course thing, right? So first is you have to go to the students course area to access the PLR course you have purchased, because you will be if you have purchased it from someone, you will get access to that PLR course in your course area. So here, like if you must be here, right? This is your dashboard. So if you come here in student dashboard, you will see this access like systeme.io. This is my own course. I'm showing the access over here, but you will see like with whomever you have bought the course, you will get access of that person's systeme.io.plr. So if you open this course, you will have this, like how to use this PLR package. Now, first you will read all of this, right? And then you will come down here, resell the systeme.io PLR package. Click here. You will come on this, like how to resell this PLR package. First is add the membership site and funnel to your systeme account. Replace the share link of the courses and funnels with the link from your own systeme.io account. Add the membership site as a resource that can be accessed after the purchase. So 2-3 steps are missing over here, which I will tell you, like I've written that in my doc. So number 1 is go to the students course area, which we just did. Then go to the last module of the name by the name of resell the systeme.io PLR package, which is this resell the systeme.io PLR package. We are here only. And then you will after reading them, you will read all the instructions and you will need to add the entire PLR course and PLR funnel into your own systeme account so that you can sell them as your own product, right? If you want to sell the PLR course has two things: the PLR course on its own, which you just have this access, and also the funnel, right? Remember that selling PLR course means a person who buys your PLR course will get access to this whole PLR course as well as the original PLR sales page built by the systeme.io team, right? So go ahead and copy paste the links of the shared course and sales funnel on a separate document and then paste them into your Chrome browser to actually add them into your own systeme account, okay? So if done successfully, you will start to see a funnel as well as course with 10 modules, very similar to the course that you have access to in your own student course area, right? So how you will do that? You are here on this resell the systeme.io PLR package page. You will just see, you will start seeing that there is some kind of a link, right? So simply just do the right click and then copy link address, right? And then I will go here in this browser where my own account is open, and then I'll open this window and I'll copy paste this share link and then click enter. I'm not doing it because obviously I already have the funnels and course in my account, but you will do this and then press enter. So automatically this funnel, this EN funnel PLR course will be added in your account, and same goes with the course. This is the sales funnel link you will copy and paste, and the course membership site is the course. And if you copy paste both of them one by one in browsers, the funnel will be added in your account, and same for the course. If you come here, the course will be added in your account. So I've named it as a systeme.io PLR package, right? So after adding that course, you will come in your own course area, okay? And then click on course asset. See, so I have this entire course with me now, which I've just added in my account via a shared membership site or a course area link from here. You remember this? So I copy pasted this and did this. Okay. And you will have all these green check marks which are there. They will be in gray. Okay. So these modules will not be activated. So you have to activate them by coming on the right, these three dots, one by one, you have to activate. Now see, it is showing as deactivated because it is activated and it is showing green. So in your case, it will be gray. And then, so you have to make them green one by one, so that if you come here and view this, you come on this view, everything will be showing. Otherwise, you will, if you view this, you will see that nothing is available, no course area is visible because you haven't turned these check into green. Okay, so you have to do that. Now, what was the next step? So you have added the funnel and the course. Now, in this newly added PLR course area, you will need to update the original shared funnel and shared course link with your own account shared funnel links and course links. If you do not do this, then the original link will be of the person from whom you bought the PLR course. Okay. By using the shared links in your own account, you could earn extra recurring commission. So this step basically is not compulsory in order to sell the PLR course, but it is 100% recommended because see, you are in your own account and you have this ready-made course. And if you come here one by one in your editor, see, this is the editor. This is the same editor, which is right now in my own account. And if I come here in my course area, which I just purchased, so see, it is literally the same. So the same course has been added into my course area. So this is the link. So if these links, if I don't change it to my course area link, they will be of the person from whom I am bought the actual PLR course, right? So I need to update them now. So what I will do, I will just go back and I will take the systeme.io PLR package. I will take the share link. This is the course. I will take the share link, copy, and then I will go inside this course area. And I will add this link to this area. And then click save it. See this small thing, click save, okay? You have to click it save. It is not working because I've already added it, but if you change the link, it will become active and you will have to save this by clicking over here. And then at the top right, click save changes. Okay. So same thing you have to do for the funnel. Go into the funnel area and come into the funnel. Original funnel is this funnel PLR courses, and then come here, share, get the share link, then again go to the course area. We'll come to the main systeme PLR package, editor, and then add this link. We'll highlight this and then add this link. First, totally delete it so that you know that it is empty. Now, Control V, paste, and then click Save. And then Save Changes at the top right. So now what you have done is actually you have changed the links with your own systeme.io account course, PLR course, and your own PLR funnel, right? So if someone clicks on these links and add it to their account, there are chances that you can get affiliate account, affiliate member if they haven't signed up with any of the, with anyone for their new Systeme account. If they already have the Systeme account, then you will not get the commission. But if they are new and creating their own Systeme account for the first time and they click on these links, they are your affiliate links and you will get the commission, right? So save changes. Now we'll go back to the guide again. So this step is done. Now next step is go to funnels and build your sales page for selling the PLR course. Now this step is like you have done the original PLR funnel, you have added that, and then PLR course also, you have added the required shared link. Now, how will you sell it? You have to create some kind of sales page with an order form, with a thank you page, right? And where people will come and pay, and you will give them the access for that Systeme PLR course, right? So you will go to funnels again, and you can design your own funnel, or you can simply just go to this original funnel and duplicate it. You have to duplicate it. Don't work on this funnel because this is your product. Remember, you are selling this as the product. So don't just work on this. People will have access to this, so you don't want to make changes to it. Create your own, simply duplicate it, and then work on the design or whatever you want to make changes to that. Make changes of design or copy as per your own audience. Then add the payment plan on the sales page. You can price it as per your will. Remember, this was a PLR course, which meant selling it at your own price and keeping all the profits. Okay, so you can sell it, or you can also give it as free. Whatever you can do, you can decide whatever you want to do. Then give resources access to the PLR course, which you just added using a shared course link, right? So as the resource, like if I come here and in every funnel, you will get resources. See, so in resources, you have to give access to that original, that Systeme IO course, PLR course, and then add the pricing plan, and then save everything. Then add the custom domain, then add the emails and favicon to further nurture your buyers. Okay. So that automation is done via this, on this, in the editor only, you can add the automation rules and set up the automation workflows. Over here in your emails, you can set up the campaigns. So you can read help document or let me know if you have any questions, I will answer them. And then for testing purpose, you can keep the price as $1 and make the purchase and see that if everything went fine, like you are able to purchase, and then after the purchase, you've got the access of the PLR course. Then if yes, then change the price to whatever you want to charge, right? So this is the part one. And then now we will talk about how to set up the 8 courses bundle if you want to sell them separately, right? So again, in your course students area, you will see you will see the module for each separate. You will see the course. Okay, you will see the course as a separate module, okay, for each course. So if I go back to this thing, my course, uh, actually my student area. So you see in each module, there is a course. So suppose I want to sell this first course. This is the new system to launch an online business. Suppose I want to sell this. So how will I do that? Again, the steps are the same. I will click here to download the course. I will right click. I will copy the link address, paste it into the browser. The same course will be added into my course area, right? In this course area, if you see, it will be added like the new system to launch an online course. That's how it was added. Now, next is click here to download the funnel template. Again, you will right click and then get the link and copy that link in your browser. And so the funnel will be added, right? This is the step 2. Then step 3 is click here to download the email swipes. So these are the PDF documents where you will have the email swipes. And these will help you in nurturing, in following up with your subscribers, because the first lead magnet is get the free access to the first lesson of this course. That is the module. And if you download this email swipes, you will get the entire nurture sequence. Like the first will talk about giving access to the first lesson free. Then the further nurture emails will be buy this course at any price. Here it is selling them at $7, but you can choose whatever you want to. You can alter the emails. You can add your own price to the course area, to the sales page, sorry. And then use the email swipe to create the newsletter. So where it will take you, it will actually take you to this emails campaigns. Okay. So here you will make the campaigns. And yeah, so that's how it is done. And let's see if anything is left, like download the swipe files, upload them, and add the automations, add the payment plan on the sales page, and then give resources access to the concerned course. Also take the shared funnel link and shared course link of this course and add them to your account PLR course module of the same course, right? So again, take the shared funnel link and shared course link and add it to the PLR, the original PLR. If you remember, in PLR, we are giving access to all the courses and the PLR course itself. So, sorry. We have to come here. Yeah, here, the new system to launch an online course. So I will come here and I will update these links, right? So yeah, you have to repeat the process for all the remaining 7 courses, and then you will be all set to sell your PLR course or your individual course or your bundle courses, whatever you want to do, however you want to sell, at what price, you have to decide. And yeah, that's it. And let me know if you have any questions. And if you want this guide, just comment the PLR setup guide and I will share it with you.